friends, welcome back to my channel Organized with Joy, and welcome to another Thoughtful Thursday video. This is the first Thursday of the month, and so that means this is a collaboration. Each month I host this Thoughtful Thursday series as a collab. So if you are a YouTuber and you're interested in joining next month, please let me know down in the comments below so that I can include you. But since this is a collaboration, I will have the playlist linked in my description box below. You will want to check that out to hear all the other ladies' thoughts on whatever topic they are sharing about this month. Also, as you might have noticed by now, I am doing a refrigerator and freezer clean out on this day. This was my grocery day, so I did need to put away some groceries as well, but I thought I would take you along during the process to give you some motivation for your day.
Wherever you're going, wherever you've been, I'll follow you.
I do sometimes take out these shelves and do a more thorough cleaning, either in the sink with some Dawn dish soap, or sometimes I even soak them in our tub. But on this day, I didn't have a lot of time, so I was just using some all-purpose cleaner to wipe down these shelves.
What we found just tends to stay. So hold to me and I'll hold on to you. We'll see the story through. Falling into a dream, swirling sounds, singing symphonies. You're all I hear and you're all I can see. I'll be by your side till golden bells they ring and I say,
Okay, friends, for today's Thoughtful Thursday, I wanted to talk about a quote I shared over on my Instagram feed this week. This quote is from William James, an American philosopher. It says, "Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does." This was a really encouraging quote to me this week, as I can sometimes wonder if everything I do with my time really makes a difference. As someone who is very introspective and longs to be intentional with my life and energy, I guess this is not surprising. I know some of it ultimately is me being too hard on myself, but I do think it's good to evaluate these things. I don't think I am alone in wondering if what I do makes a difference. I think many of us at times can feel insignificant or powerless and begin to believe that our actions don't matter. Or perhaps you're in a job, role, or life phase that feels like you're not making a difference. My role as a homemaker can really feel that way sometimes, especially when I don't feel valued or appreciated by my family members. But even if they don't say it, I know that what I am doing is definitely helping our family as a whole. This quote, "Act as if what you do makes a difference, it does," reminds us that everything we do, even little things, can make a difference in the lives of others or in the world around us. It speaks to the importance of evaluating what we are doing with our time, energy, and money as we approach every task and every decision we make. If we have this mindset, not only will we feel value in what we are doing, but we are more likely to be intentional about making an impact on the lives of those around us. Sometimes we can feel like we are not making a big impact because we may see things in a big picture sort of way, dismissing the importance of the details. Yes, the big picture is important, but remember that the big picture comes together ultimately through the details. I don't know if you've ever heard of the story of the man walking along the beach, attending to the starfish that had washed up on the beach by throwing them back into the ocean one at a time. Another person came along and said to him, "What difference are you making by throwing that starfish back into the ocean? Look at how many there are washed up on the beach." The man simply replied, "It makes a difference to this starfish," and then proceeded to throw it into the ocean. We truly can make a difference, even if it is one starfish at a time. We can make a difference, even if it is a little at a time. Another aspect of this idea that our actions do make a difference is through the ripple effect. We may feel like something we do is small or insignificant, but it could have a ripple effect and reach other people. Perhaps if you do something nice for someone, they appreciate that and then want to do something nice for someone else. In addition to this, you never know what simple gestures could do for someone. Just looking a stranger in the eye and smiling at them could brighten their day more than you know. So many people have gone through difficult circumstances over these last few years, and simple gestures like this could truly be meaningful. The quote, "Act as if what you do makes a difference, it does," is a powerful reminder of the impact our actions can have on the lives of people around us or in the world around us. Every action, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has the potential for making a positive difference. By approaching the things we do and the decisions we make with this mindset, we are more likely to find value in the things we are doing. And it also encourages us to evaluate if we need to make any changes to what we are doing with our time, energy, and money. So let's act as if what we do makes a difference, because it truly does. Well, friends, I hope that this chat today was encouraging or inspiring to you in some way. As always, I do love to hear your thoughts on my thoughts, so please share that down in the comments below. And I hope that you might stick around for the rest of the video to get even more cleaning and organizing motivation today.
Going around on this fading song, and sometimes it might
If you're interested in seeing the process of transforming this refrigerator door with all of these uniform condiment bottles, I do have that video up on my channel, and I can link it in the description box below and up in the cards for you. But I have not looked back. I absolutely love having these uniform condiment bottles. Some people might be a little bit annoyed by having to decant the condiments, but I truly don't mind it. I actually find it a little bit fun. So anyway, like I said, I will go ahead and link that video for you.
I need you like a rising sun. Let the light pour in and the colors run. Like midnight skies need northern stars. I think home is right where you are. And words get caught on my tongue. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one. Fireflies and fields of gold, I'll be holding you till time grows old. Flickering sparks of a wide-eyed child will run among that moonlit wild. 'Cause you're the breath that fills my lungs. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one. When the last light fades and all is done, honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one. You're the only one. I saw light from a dream in your eyes, precious thing. Only on we fly if we could only see. It's a magnificent past the edge of what is seen. Meet me there, that's where I'll be. We'll lie in the grass and forget everything. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent life. It's a magnificent life we're living. It's a magnificent We are flames, we are fire, shattered worlds intertwined, like stars flicker in an endless sky. We are flames.
Okay, friends, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope that you found it motivational and that the talk I shared was inspiring or encouraging to you today. Please don't forget to check out the playlist linked in my description box below for even more motivation or inspiration with what the other ladies have to share for their Thoughtful Thursday video. But thank you so much for watching until the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!